everyone, I'm Avnesh Singh and I'm training at SHA Infotech. I have been here for quite some time and yes, I can review about it. I completed my graduation back some time and then started looking for job like everyone else. I couldn't get any because there isn't any job that has growth and scope for freshers who have no knowledge about one particular subject. So the thing that was lacking to get a job was proper training about one particular language. And since I'm from IT background, like I have been studying computer science for quite some time, so I wanted to get into an IT industry. I consulted some of my friends, seniors, and teachers, and what they suggested me is Oracle technology. I googled it and I found came across such Infotech. I called them up and spoke to them about like I wanted to get a job, and prior to that I wanted to have some training about Oracle database administration, and they were quite convincing. So I came up to them physically and met them, and yes, I joined SHA Infotech back sometime. And the best part was that while counseling, they were whatever they spoke, they really meant it. They said about live exposure, and I also thought that how is it even possible that you get to work on, you get your hands on a live server, and that was possible because the faculty, the consultants have been working in industry for 15 to 20 years, and they know how the system is, how the database, the server is configured, and they created the exactly same replica here. They gave us the environment to work on. So it was a great help to get into job, because see, when you have some experience, you won't hesitate. Like in the interviews, we have here dummy sessions, dummy interviews every week. We have to give presentation on topics we have studied, and there's a very productive Q&A sessions. The dummy interview really helps everyone out. Like the most difficult part to get into job is facing the interview, and if you are a fresher, then it's really difficult. And when that nervousness, that in the dummy sessions you have already faced someone asking questions, and it's like a very tense moment, so you have faced that nervousness prior to your actual interview. While the actual interview happens, the real time interview happens, you won't be nervous anymore. And that is one of the best things to get into a job that you get here at SHA Infotech. You have been working on live servers. You have been training with the experts who are doing their job, daily job of database administrator or whatever it is, be it data scientist or database Oracle technology. They have been their job, doing their jobs, and you're sitting with them. If you want to, if you're into IT industry and you want to get a good job, please visit SHA Infotech. Thank you everyone. Best of luck.
Hi everyone, my name is Ri Prakash and I have done my graduation in Computer Science and Engineering branch from Bhubaneswar. After the graduation, as many students look for the job, so I also used to do that. But unfortunately, I didn't get any company. So time and hope I was losing. But one day my friend called me and he has provided me the details regarding SHA Infotech. So I went there and got trained in Oracle DBA. And today, currently, I am working in one of the MNC company in Noida as an Oracle DBA. So this whole credit goes to SHA Infotech, their dedication throughout the training and the hard work which I have to make from my side. If you guys are also looking for a job or seeking for a job or want to get trained in Oracle DBA or any other technology, please go and just pay the visit in SHA Infotech. I really like the way they taught me. They provide me the live training, live scenario regarding Oracle database. They guided me, but the hard work we have to do only. SHA Infotech has its unique in his own way. So I would recommend you guys please get in touch with SHA Infotech so that you also don't lose your hope like I have done in my career. The breakthrough today which I have got in my career is totally goes to SHA. I can feel that what students are going through when they are not getting the job, because I am also an BTech engineer and I have gone through this time period. But now I am really well settled. Thank you.
Hi, this is Mani. Today I'm going to speak about SHA. First of all, I want to tell you that SHA is not only a private company or a private institute where you can learn something. Here you can visualize your goal to achieve the target. After becoming a member of SHA family, I can recognize my strength and get focused on it. I'm with SHA from last 10 months. I can say that SHA is my second home because after office I go there and spend normally 5 to 6 hours every day. The interesting thing about SHA is that their faculty, they are not behave like a teacher to you. They are behave like a friend to you, for which the environment very friendly and entertaining for your learning, and you can learn very easily. So I want to give a big thank to Team SHA who recognize me and create a new money from old one. This is me with full of confidence and lots of energy. Thanks Team SHA once again.
Hi, myself Polumi, and I would like to thank Shine Footage for bringing my shaky career on track. After graduation, I was also confused what to do next. After struggling for 5 to 6 months, my friend introduced me to Shine Footage, from where I have learned Oracle technologies. Frankly speaking, starting from the course structure to the faculties, everything is just commendable. All the faculties are highly industry experienced and they teach us with great effort. And in case of any doubt, they clear all the doubts, and if required, they provide us with 1:1 session. And the course structure is highly industry oriented and covered with hands-on experiences, and which helped me in learning the technologies in a much better way. I would like to thank all the faculties for guiding me throughout the journey and establishing me as an Oracle DBA. I would highly recommend you to join Shine Footage if you like to make your career in Oracle technologies. In short, it is just not an institution. It is the place from where you can start making your career. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Devkumar Poira. I would like to extend my thanks to SHA Infotics for providing such a wonderful experience learning on Oracle from exceptionally knowledgeable trainers. I had no knowledge about learning Oracle before the training, but after 15 days of training, I am feeling confident and I know that I know about Oracle and the world of Oracle. So I am right now completed my training on Oracle Core DBA, Rack, DataGuard. I would like to thanks all of my trainers, all of the SHA members who supported me throughout my training. Again, thanks to all my trainers and all members of SHA Info to providing me such a wonderful place. So that's it from my side.
Hi. Before I start, let me give you a brief about myself. I was a person not in IT industry. I was in telecom industry. And due to the market status, I decided to switch. So I decided to go for the Oracle DBA course. I founded SHA and I thought let me give it a try. They explained me about the course and I will give you my experience which I found. In SHA, what I found that they will give you the curriculum, the course of the Oracle OCP. They will train you the guidelines as per the OCP certification. But what is different, which I felt over here, is that this course, the OCP training, the application of it in real environment, they will make you practice in the same way. They will make you work in the real environment. They have the resources who are working in the industry. The people who are training you, they are actually working in the industry. So they will train you in such a way that you will have almost an experience of 2-3 years of a DBA. The way these OCP courses, the list on the activities which are there in the courses, their replication in the real manner, how it is being used, that will be, you will be able to understand here. So even if you are not in the IT industry and you want to aspire, you are aspiring for an Oracle DBA, I will definitely recommend you this course. They will make you go through all the activities which are actually happening as a DBA. You will feel like you are 2-3 years of a DBA. This is what I found different in them compared to other. And one more thing, there is a doubt which each one of has कि हमसे हो पाएगा कि नहीं. So I will only say, अगर आप मेहनत कर रहे हैं and you are dedicated to what you want to be, you are at a perfect place. यहाँ पे जो trainers हैं, they are a well working professionals in DBA. वो आपको इस तरीके से train करेंगे that you will feel like you are an DBA. And then when you will enter into the market, you will realize कि हाँ, yes, I can do it, I can actually do it. वो confidence build आपके अंदर होगा. So I will definitely recommend you to go for this course, and let's meet as a DBA somewhere.
Hello friends, my name is Atriraj. I am an Oracle DBA. Right now I'm working on an RCTC project for the place at Bangalore. I am extremely happy right now as I have not taken any wrong step. Before that I also just got graduated and from a BTech mechanical, and nowhere else I just got the job. And then I consulted most of my friends, most of my colleagues and most of the seniors. They just told me that yeah, pretty sure the Oracle database has been in a very touch, so they treated me that you should switch over for a Oracle DBA. I just googled it and I came across here for the SHA Infotech Kolkata. I just called them and I just spoke to them. Yeah, and as I started the course, slowly, I just built the confidence just got built up. Environment is quite fascinating. It's very good. The expertise, the faculty members all over here treat you with a good guidance here. Yeah. And slowly I just got, each and every topics I just have to give certain presentations and the certain interviews, and whatever the Q&A sessions I just got happen. Yeah, it just built me a confidence that yes, I can do pretty much sure if I go out for an MNC company. I'm extremely happy about myself that I get my hands on, as whatever they told us that yeah, they just meant it. Yeah, they just meant it that you will be working across the live server. And right now presently, if I am working for an RCTC or for a production database. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Kalyan Mukherjee. I have completed my trainings from SHA. I have got placement in multinational IT company. Happy to say few words about SHA. SHA helps me to enrich myself with the advanced technology and with the new outlook, the outlook of self-confidence. Before SHA, I was in lack of my self-confidence. After SHA, I am with my full confidence. The magic words within the SHA is the understanding, the bonding between the students and with the professional trainers. Believe me, it is a right place to be a professional. Best of luck.
SHA Infotech is not just an institution, but a sculptor studio where useless, unshaped rocks are carved into awesome, invaluable masterpieces that are praised throughout the world. It is a space where dreams are shaped into reality, a home outside your home, where you find a family that teaches you, guides you, loves you, cares for you, and of course leads you to a place in the world which you deserve the most. SHA Infotech has given me confidence, strength to survive, a goal to achieve, and the dignity to be proud of myself. Thank you, SHA. Thank you very much.
Hi friends, my name is Anish and I'm a working professional in one of the MNCs. So the objective of this video is for Thanksgiving to the organization named SHA Infotech, as this organization has built my career into a stable state. So guys, if you want to upgrade yourself or you want to come to learn the technologies in the Oracle database field, you can opt SHA because the trainers who is working here is highly experienced, and over a time they have adapted the skills to train the person, to train a layman in such a simple manner that nobody else will do. The next thing, the best is the course contents is quite simple, and the course duration is also of approximately 120 hours, and no matter what is the timing, even though you didn't get the job, till then they will support you, they will guide you, they will encourage you, so you can contact them 24 into 7. No matter what is the time, they are always ready and support you all. The next main thing, practical scenarios and hands-on scenarios you guys will going to do in the companies, in the organizations. They will teach you all the 3 to 4 years of expertise in SHA. So these are the best part, and the main part is the interviews. So they will conduct interviews on the regular basis, because you should make a mistake here only, because making a mistakes in the training ground is far better than making the mistakes in the battleground. So training is most important part, which played important role in my career also. I thank SHA because they build my career.